Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to my birthday vlog. Coming from Saudi Arabia, from hot weather to really cold weather. It's 7 degrees today, so wrapped up warm. So I've got quite a few things planned today. So first thing, I'm going to go and collect my cake. So come and join me and let's go and collect my cake.
A few moments later.
I've got my cake. Let's give a sneak peek of the cake. Rest I'll show you when I get home. So let's head back home. I just picked up my cake and now I'm going to head back home. Let's hope the cake gets back home in one piece. I've just put it in the boot. So I'll show you the verdict when we get home.
A few moments later.
I just arrived back home. Let's see if the cake made it in one piece. Looks like the cake made it in one piece. There's another snippet of it on the decor. This is my final look. So we're now heading out for my birthday lunch. Just wait for my sister and mum and I to get ready. And so come with me. So we ordered samosa chaat. We've got samosa chaat. So how much would you give the samosa chaat out of 10? 6. Mum, out of 10, what would you give?
7.
And I would give a 7 as well. This is my nephew's little chicken burger and chips. How small and cute that is. And your little burger. So we have a mixed omelette, potatoes, spicy beans and mango syrup with burrata. Samosa burger, beef and chicken, chips. So this was our brunch. It was the first time we came here. We thought we would try it out and we all gave it 5 out of 10. It was nice, the decor was nice, the service was a bit slow, the staff was friendly, the food was just average. This cake was nice, so if you love chocolate then you definitely love this cake. After having a brunch, we decided to get some flouda to take home. So flouda is one of my favourites. Comment below if flouda is also your favourite as well. The flouda from here in the UK is not as good as the one you get from Pakistan, but it's pretty close. I didn't like to have nuts on mine, so I kept mine separate. So comment below if you also don't like nuts on your dessert.
Happy birthday to Professor, I love you loads.
Thank you! So this is my cake, YouTube theme and my passion travelling. So some of the places that I visited: New York, Dubai, Florida, Thailand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Arrived home and now we'll be doing unboxing of my gift. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the gifts and also go through the oud that I bought from Saudi Arabia. So first we go through gifts. They're from Ahmed Perfumes. This is number 33 from Reef. And I think this is called Al-Brins. From Al-Majid Oud. So these were my favourites. If you liked today's vlog, make sure to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for all upcoming vlogs. Thank you for watching. Remember me and my prayers in your duas, and I'll see you in the next vlog.